I want to give an investor analysis for Damac Islands too, which will be really beneficial for those of you who are considering to buy into this new project. First things first, in terms of pricing plan and the overall snapshot, if you want to think about it. I've pulled out some details just to put it into all one video for yourselves. 4-bedroom townhouse, which is the most popular one that people want to buy into. The ticket size today is 2.5, 2.7, but really it's 2.75, okay, from there. Depending on the cluster position that you go for. The payment plan is usually around about 75, 25, 70, 30. We expect that to continue. Okay, 70% during construction, 20, 25, 30 or 25 at handover. You'd still expect the payment plan to be the same. I believe it's 2%, 1%, every month, and then there's a bullet payment of 6, 7% every 6 months. We still expect that to be the same. The handover window, the previous one is 2029. This one we can expect around about the same 2030 roughly. When it comes to positioning, we know for a fact that the 4 bedrooms roughly in these locations go around about 140,000 dirhams per year. That's your rough average from there, okay? You can get a roughly, let's say if the annual rent that you get for a 5 beds, you get 200k, you'll get a gross yield around about 8% and a net yield roughly about 7% after all the expenditure is done, okay? So me and my team have worked this out for your convenience. When it comes to capital appreciation, again, 500k is what we've already experienced, and the market is on a huge momentum right now. It's about 25% year on year appreciating, okay? It's going up. So we expect this to fit into that range as well. In terms of the product, this product, the 4 beds, in terms of the market, how does it fit? How does it look? Actually, this is probably one of the most in-demand sizes that they are in Dubai. When you look at other communities, water-like, Dubailand-like communities, Mudon, Arabella, Cherrywoods, all of them are in this kind of, even lagoons, Damac lagoons, they're all in this kind of high demand thing that people want to buy. I want to give some risks out as well to the investors. When they say handover 2029, 2030, just always bear that in mind. It could be 4, 5 or 6 months. There could be either a plus or minus. Sometimes they deliver quickly, sometimes they deliver a little bit later, but just be a little bit flexible on that. When it comes to a handover, sometimes you might need to require an NOC, but that's not a difficult thing, but you'll be able to easily acquire that. Service charges, townhouses are generally speaking very lower, so you don't need to consider that too much. But the final rates will be set around about at the time of handover, but we can expect them to be very low, okay? When it comes to picking the unit, I want to give some guidance on this. Go for the corner units. They're bigger and they're more preferred, and you can fetch a premium for that, and they're sold out more quickly. So 5 beds, 4 beds. Try to go for ones which are water facing, lagoon facing, park facing. These are the ones that people go for, and most of islands is park facing and lagoon facing, to be honest. If you want to prioritize rental yields, focus on the ones which are close to amenities, parks, parking area, that kind of stuff, which is close to something. When it comes to valuation and resilience for the overall clusters, go for ones which are lagoon facing. That's the easy answer. So that when you buy into it and you exit out of it, you can trade better, okay? What to do right now is that if you're interested, contact me and let me know that you're interested. We'll put your EUI in. We need to put an EUI in fast. From what I know, there's already a number of EUIs collected, right? This is, Damac Islands has suffered from this problem, and you guys have suffered from this. There's been such a huge demand for this product that it sells out like this. That's the problem here. So you need to submit your EUI fast. I think it was about 110,000 dirhams for the 4 beds, 150 for the 5 beds. You need to get that in fast. When it comes to comparing this to the other communities that you could buy into, the price range is very, very much more affordable. Does that mean the quality is rubbish? No. Qualities, it's average. It's average. Nothing's going to happen to the house. It will be standing there. Okay. There are other developers that have much more, you know, questionable quality, let's just say that way. But this developer is a very strong developer. Okay. So those of you who are sitting and you're wanting to make an investment, this is definitely a community that you want to get into. If you watch my previous videos, all the evidence is documented. I've been shouting out about this community, this master development, that this is one of the ones to go for. And guys, just to let yourselves know, the valley, it's at roughly 2.9 million for the 3 beds. This one, you're getting 2.75 for 4 beds. Just think about that. Okay, so which one's giving you the better deal? Of course, Damac Islands. The valley is still getting developed. There's still more phases to get launched, but the price point is more appreciated. Okay, so you're not getting that much bang for your buck. I'm not saying valley is bad. I'm just saying it's more of someone that has cash in their hands that can buy into that. For those of you who want to get into the real estate game, this is the one to get into. Those of you who are looking to pop your cash somewhere and see it rise, this is the one to get into. The great thing about this is that not only do you have history on your side, the future is looking bright on this side as well, because now we know we have other slices of the cake that are going to get launched. This is slice 2 of the cake. Don't miss out. And guys, if you want to invest with me, contact me. My WhatsApp link is in the description below, so click on it. Let's have a conversation. Let's see what we can do for you. And don't forget to like the video, share the video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you're notified of all my videos I'm publishing on a daily and weekly basis. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching.